in there, warming things up. I could either get some more stones, or I could just use my fingers. And so I'm just going to show a little bit of this, and then, we'll move on. But so right behind the ear, go ahead and feel on your own. There's a very big, round prominence, the mastoid process. And we've got our SCM coming off of it, and we've got our splenius capitis coming off of it, and a lot of just fascia, right? So you can even use a bunch of fingers all together, all around that mastoid process, and really pull up or down. It's yummy, right? You got a lot of tight muscles there. So we can lean into that and kind of pull down. Now the one area of caution, the mastoid process is great, but when you come to the back of the jaw, right at that angle, there's a pointed styloid process. You won't feel it, but you don't want to dig in there. But if you're going around that smooth mastoid process, you're golden. So I could take both sides and just kind of pull up and down. So we're pushing the fascia up, and then we're scooping it into the body and down, and we're pulling it up. So my angles are, I'm going like this, and then like this, and like this, and then like this. And I'm exaggerating it and going faster. So I pull that fascia up, and then bring it down. And I can feel that there's tension here in this SCM. And so, if I was spending more time on the neck, I could really kind of get into that as well. But for the interest of time, I'm going to move these two out of the way just to see this sort of area that kind of gets bottleneck tension. Oh my God, it's so much more ready to release now. So spinous processes at this level, right around C7, T1, if this was a spinous process, you want to get to both sides of it and really scoop up and out. So now that it's all warmed up, it's going to release a lot better. So I'm going to get up in there. Oh yeah, it's already happier. And then I'm going to use the table as leverage as I really do some nice scooping. And, I would bet money that that's going to feel good to her, because nobody likes to feel tight in that area.
And then do you pull all the way up to the occiput?
You can take that all the way up, but right now I'm going to hang out at like C7, T1, T2, and just really go up towards the ceiling, right in that lamina groove, and slow. But as I showed you when my hand was on the table and not hidden by her, I really want to use the table as leverage so that my hands can be nice and strong in this movement. So I'm kind of like a wheelbarrow, right? Like a wheelbarrow is a type of lever. Like if you think about how you could carry like hundreds of pounds of dirt or rocks, that we all could manage with a wheelbarrow, right? But if you try to manage that without a wheelbarrow, it'd be cumbersome. So it's the same kind of idea. We're using a basic lever system so that we're not trying to deadlift weight with our fingers, right? We're just making like a wheelbarrow. It's kind of an opposite wheelbarrow, but it is a lever. And so now I'm moving up. And people often feel taller after this. Like this is a really yummy thing to do. Like just how like people really need to feel taller in their low back. People really need to feel taller here. Now I'm going to take it in the opposite way. I'm going to get right in there, and I'm pressing down towards her feet, and I'm squeezing like this but pressing down. But since the stones have warmed things up so well, I'm able to start doing what it would have taken me like 15 minutes to start doing without the stones. Like the stone got everything ready to just like get right in there. It's like how you get butter to room temperature, before certain things that you cook. It's like that. You don't want to start with frozen butter on certain recipes. I'm not a baker, but I have noticed certain. Oh, yeah. You can feel that. All right, so, and we'll finish there.